Hey Andy, I'm just going to give you a quick video here on how to run the Jensen dispenser. I loaded it up with the lead-free chem mask from Chemtronics. It's in a 30cc syringe. It's got the tubing already connected to the unit. I get the air pressure, which I would adjust here, set at about 10 psi. This knob down here is a vacuum knob. If you rotate it, you'll hear air running through the unit, and that just provides some suck back so that if you have a liquid material in the syringe, it's not going to drip out in between shots. I wouldn't change anything on that. Hopefully when you plug it in at your customers, it's going to work just fine. I'm running 80 psi air into the back of the unit, and again, I've got to regulate it down to about 10 psi. So I'm going to click on Start Dispensing, and I'm going to go to Mode. I'm going to scroll all the way up to the top, and I have my options of manual mode. In the manual mode, all I do is I just push the foot pedal, and when I do, it's going to dispense. Just simple as that. So it's dispensing. As long as I hold the foot pedal, it'll dispense. I can do quick shots. I can do big shots. All right, simple as that. Click on mode again. Go to teach. Okay. What it's going to do is, as long as I hold the foot pedal down, it's going to count. So I can fill a hole or two to see how long the timer runs. So I'll do that. Boom. 1.25 seconds. I'll clear it, do another one just for comparison. Boom, 1.2 seconds. So you can run a few jobs or applications and just see how long they take and then program that. If I go from teach to auto, it takes that 1.2 seconds, it carries it over. Now I can adjust that to whatever I want. So in the auto mode, I'm going to go down to let's go to a quarter of a second. Now when I push the button, when I push the foot pedal, it's going to run for just a quarter of a second, and it's going to stop. So I get quarter of a second shots. If I go back to mode, you notice that after that I have a half a second shot programmed. I can just simply say OK. Push the foot pedal, I get a half a second. Each time I push the foot pedal, I'll get a half a second of dispensing. I can go back to mode and choose different jobs. I get 3 jobs programmed: a half a second, a quarter second, and a 1 second. If I take this half a second, I say OK, and I push sequential, and it says the mode is on. Now it's going to cycle between the half second, the quarter second, and the 1 second. So I'll show you that. So first it's going to do half second, quarter second, 1 second. So it's just going to cycle between the 3 programs I wrote. All right, should be good to go. The biggest thing is getting the right size needle and getting the right air pressure. You probably have to play with the air pressure a little bit when you get to your customers. Good luck.